That's loose. Hey, look at this, bro. Look. Oh, fuck. See, that's what it is. I got the keys. We're prepping the house just to get it started with our paint job and whatnot. So basically what they're doing is they're going through and putting up some caulking, fill up all the holes and whatnot, and then they're gonna go ahead and start painting. So basically what you do before you paint, you wanna make sure you get all the dirt off the house, and you wanna fill all the holes so you know it doesn't look bad whenever you go in and paint the house, right? We're gonna go ahead and let them finish up. Let's check out the inside. But yeah, we got this house, it was a shithole, man. I'm talking about dirt everywhere, 1,000 black and mild wrappers all over the place, food left over, oil, and pretty much we had to come in and clean it all out. More driving, fixing stuff. Home Depot. I go to Home Depot at least 2 or 3 times, maybe 4 times if Alfonso needs something. And I think a lot of investors don't know that. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. They'll get into it without thinking like, all right, what do you do on a daily basis? This is it. I put miles on this truck, right? Yeah. Then we go just fix stuff, man. That's it. I like to see all the little neighborhoods that we passing by that we can go through these neighborhoods, drive around them, and find distressed properties. But driving for dollars is basically when you driving by properties, and if it looks like nobody stay there, you can get their information, reach out to them, and try to wholesale it, right?
In 1 mile.
So I take advantage of us going to different properties. I like to go on the back roads and sort of build my list up so I can have even more opportunities to make money. I just quit my job 3 months ago, dog. So I gotta constantly keep houses coming in. I gotta constantly keep moving and working. Otherwise, we ain't gonna be eating. I'm trying to catch up with my mentor, Justin. But it's hard to do that. Man, been doing this, 10 plus years? It's only my 3rd year in, bro. Hey, ain't even been a full year with us flipping houses. We're working on our 7th flip already. And if you're not good at handling pressure, I always tell people this. If you can't handle pressure, this ain't for you. You got a lot of mentors out here who charging a large amount to give you information, right? So I'm doing the same thing, but I'm flipping the house with you. Yeah. So people want that hands-on approach, and I'm giving that to people, man. I'm really trying to take advantage of it. Far too often people out here wasting money on just information. I'm not really wasting money, but I'm just putting myself in their shoes. When I started my mentor's program, he gave me a lot of great information, in which I use that and use it for my benefit and make good money. But there's always flaws, man. My flaw that I found was, there's a lot of people, I feel like there should have been a more hands-on approach. It would have been a lot easier for us. Yeah. I would have felt a lot more comfortable. So that's what I offer to the public now, man. I help people flip these houses. I show them literally everything they need to know about, from the financing to renovations, finding your contractors to selling the house and leaving it at a profit. Their issue was like light fixtures were loose, the dishwasher was loose here. Yeah, you see how it's not glued in, or it shouldn't be moving like that, basically. Yeah. So we just gotta make sure it ain't moving. Yeah, this should be moving like that. See what I'm saying? So they just want to go through and have us tighten up all the fixtures and the finishes, so that whenever the buyer comes in and start living in the property, everything is kosher. That's loose. Hey, look at this, bro. Look. Oh, fuck. See, that's what it is. She paid those contractors all that money, and they didn't do it right. You know what I'm saying? That's why I feel like you don't ever pay your contractor up front all the monies until you walk the property and you figure out that everything is to your liking. So these small things like this, you should never got all his money back. They want us to, out of all this shit back here, they want us to get these 2 tires. So I'm gonna put these in the back of my truck. Make sure no bugs up in this bitch. We gotta get some bikes.
You said some bikes?
Some bikes. Well, fuck. Man, this shit. Alright, man, here you go. Here go your flashlight, brother.
All this motherfucker.
Ain't got no workers comp, man. What it look like? You see some rats?
Nah. What the junk up here?
All they want is the bikes now. Oh shit, was that a lowrider? Okay, this is a mongoose.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, yeah, I'm taking it outside. Hold up. What you doing?
And you gotta take all the trash from the yard?
No, this the bikes.
Let me keep this bag, man.
I'll buy you one. That's a dirty bag. I'm gonna get you a brand new bag. Birkin.
Yeah, we clear.
That should be it, right? Well, I'm trying to wholesale this house that we're about to run over to now. So I'm gonna see this old girl can meet us over there. Let's see what she's talking about. So the reason why I stepped away from this deal is because, and you'll notice whenever you walk in the house, there's a massive foundational issue. And I usually work with houses that it's just a listed job, so this would be outside of my parameter. Furthermore, you can see small things like, you know, cracks in the sheetrock and how the bottom part of your house looks like sort of like someone lifted up the wall a bit. But what's happening is the floors are caving down, right? So if you go up under the house and look at it, you'll notice all of the subflooring coming down because everything is just off, man. It's unsettled. Same goes with the kitchen. You see how the cabinet sort of caving in a little bit? More or less, all this shit gotta get knocked down, man. I mean, ghetto too, they got the plastic bags to keep the heat inside. I like the old school look though. I wish a lot of properties had that old school vibe with a new school build, you know what I'm saying? This natural lighting with these windows. You can't open them, that's the only downfall. But I think this shit tight. The issue is really just getting a lender to accept it. That's the biggest downfall. It could be a nice house, it could be a quick flip, all that. But if the lender, the people who give you the money, don't like it, ain't nothing you can do about it. So that's what we're waiting on from the Lexus right now. All right. Shit, let's hit up Big Springs. Obviously, we see the electricity on, but yeah, this is 2,000 square feet. Everything you see in this house, you're gonna see at the other house I showed you this morning. From the flooring, you already see the recalls were in the walls, and it's the fancy looking material, the finishing touches. So yeah, this took us about 3 weeks to complete as well. It's just a bigger house. You know what I'm saying? Kitchen got all the upgrades in it. Stainless steel appliances, nice shelves, vent there, all the works. Right. I'm actually going. So the water still on. Hope you don't come back to niggas with this damn heat. The water on. Yeah, man, this was like I said, it took us no time. They had the inside finished in a matter of like a week.
A week? They finished the inside in a week?
Yeah. Minus the floors. I had to call a completely different guy for the floors. But everything else was done in